beauty tech, the impact of meta realities, and how 3D fashion is reshaping the supply chain. That and much more on today's episode.
Want to know what's next? For over 2 decades, we've led the world's most influential brands to create the right products at the right time for tomorrow's consumer. This is WGSN's Client Questions Answered.
Hello and welcome to the show where our experts from around the globe unpack your biggest challenges. I'm Carla Bizarci, President and CEO at WGSN. Let's dive straight in. Now, our first question today comes from a client who's asking, what's big in beauty tech at the moment? So let's hear what Sarah, our head of consumer tech based here in London, has to say.
Beauty tech's going through a boom period at the moment. So the pandemic has really increased consumers' confidence and comfort level in doing salon-grade treatments at home for themselves. And that's leading them to invest in more professional-grade DIY devices. So we're seeing tools launched that are really focusing on skin intelligence, providing AI-driven personalized insights to help people to improve the quality and appearance of their skin. And there's a particular focus coming through at the moment around laser and light therapy in particular. And the final point to note is that the design language for consumer beauty tech is becoming very, very different from professional or salon beauty tech. It's sleek, but it's warm and it's even soft. And it's moving away from clinical, kind of a hygiene-focused devices towards something that feels more tactile and more intimate, and that people are willing to keep on display within their home.
Thank you, Sarah. You can see our report on skin-intelligent devices on our consumer tech site, which explores the intersection between beauty, wellness, health, and technology. Our next client question is, from experiences to services, how is consumer engagement impacted by VR, AR, and meta realities? To answer this one, we're heading over to Hong Kong to hear from Adrian Mollett, who's our lead consultant on mindset. Over to you, Adrian.
VR, AR hold a unique potential to facilitate new immersive experiences across realities as well, and that open, of course, to the metaverse. First, there is an opportunity for you to extend the video drive that has been so successful in the past few years. There is also the possibility to do product testing, feeding into your sustainability credential before you launch to production, or to use the metaverse and digital spaces to train your staff internally to new products or services. Finally, with Metatainment, we are seeing so many new devices that will allow for this metaverse to become so much more sensorial and tangible, and these will be as many opportunities you will have to create new experiences with your customers across realities.
Amazing. Thank you, Adrian, for that comprehensive answer. Our final question for today comes from a client asking, how is 3D fashion design reshaping the entire apparel supply chain? Giving us their take on this topic is Anu, who's our Senior Commissioning Manager for our fashion site. She's based in Hong Kong. Over to you, Anu.
With rapid change compressed into the fashion industry these past few years, the global supply chains have been disrupted in major ways. Adapting to this ever-evolving environment has amplified the need to align with efficient, agile, and sustainable solutions, where 3D fashion design has emerged as a game changer. As the apparel companies adopt virtual prototyping, 3D solutions are proving to be an irreplaceable asset and a foundational building block. No matter which part of the supply chain you belong to, from technical designers, product developers, merchandisers, buyers, sales, and even marketing, it is relatively easy to leverage this technology into your workflow. 3D virtual sampling helps to significantly reduce design process lengths, allows departments and companies across the globe to communicate and work together in real time, effectively reducing sample production costs while aiding in faster decision-making, moving towards a cleaner, sustainable fashion industry.
Expert insight there, thank you. So that's it for this week. If you have any questions or comments that you'd like us to answer, please pop them in the comments box and we will have the team look at them before our next episode. I'm Carla Bizarci. I'll see you next time.